Welcome to this in-depth exploration of how artificial intelligence is transforming one of the largest employment sectors in the world, customer service. Call centers have long been the front lines of business communication, handling inquiries, complaints, and technical support. Yet this model is fundamentally changing. In this video, we'll dive into why traditional call centers are being phased out, how AI-powered tools are already taking over core functions, and what the implications are for businesses, workers, and customers. We'll examine both the opportunities and the ethical dilemmas that come with this transformation, providing you with a comprehensive view of the future of customer service. Whether you're a business leader, tech enthusiast, or a support agent concerned about your job security, this presentation will offer valuable insights. For decades, the traditional call center model has operated with minimal innovation. A customer calls in and their query is routed to the first available agent, often after navigating a maze of menus. These agents are typically trained to follow predefined scripts with little room for personalization. Wait times can be frustratingly long, especially during peak hours or crisis events. In addition to the inefficiencies for customers, the cost of running such operations is enormous. Companies have to budget for infrastructure, hardware, recruitment, training, compliance, quality control, and more. Outsourcing has become common, but that brings its own challenges: language barriers, inconsistent service quality, and cultural disconnects. In short, this model is outdated, expensive, and increasingly out of step with customer expectations in the digital world. The cracks in the traditional call center model are becoming impossible to ignore. Scalability is one of the biggest challenges. Hiring and training more staff takes time and money, and yet demand can spike overnight. The lack of personalization is another critical flaw. Customers are treated as generic tickets, not individuals with unique histories. Agents often lack the tools or time to offer customized help. On the employee side, the job itself can be incredibly taxing. High-stress environments, rigid metrics, and repetitive tasks contribute to burnout and high turnover rates. This not only affects morale, but also undermines service continuity and institutional knowledge. Customers feel the impact, frustrated by robotic scripts passed around from department to department and left waiting. As expectations rise, the old model continues to fall short. Artificial intelligence has emerged as a powerful solution to the limitations of traditional customer support. Unlike human agents, AI-powered tools can operate 24/7 without breaks, holidays, or performance dips. Chatbots have evolved from simple rule-based responders to sophisticated conversational agents capable of understanding intent, context, and sentiment. These bots can manage thousands of interactions simultaneously, ensuring no customer is left waiting. Voice agents, built on large language models like GPT-4 and beyond, can mimic human-like speech, understand a range of accents and idioms, and even adjust tone based on emotional cues. On the back end, AI can analyze real-time data to provide insights, recommend next steps, and escalate only the most complex issues to human agents. The result? Faster resolutions, lower operational costs, and a more seamless customer experience. If you think this is theoretical, think again. Major companies are already deploying AI in real-world customer service scenarios. Amazon's Alexa, for instance, is capable of handling a range of support queries from order tracking to troubleshooting devices. Bank of America's Erica is an AI assistant that helps customers navigate banking services through natural language conversations available directly in their mobile app. Google's Duplex is another milestone, able to call businesses on your behalf, make reservations, and even respond to humans in real time. These examples illustrate how AI is not just replacing basic support tasks, but doing so with higher speed and often greater accuracy than human agents. And it's not just tech giants. Small and mid-sized companies are also adopting these tools thanks to more affordable AI as a service platforms. The benefits of AI in customer support are substantial and growing. One of the biggest advantages is 24/7 availability. AI doesn't sleep, get sick, or need breaks. That means customers can get help anytime, anywhere. AI can also personalize support by pulling data from past interactions, browsing behavior, and customer profiles. This level of context was rarely available to human agents, especially in high-volume centers. Multilingual support is another strength. A single AI model can handle conversations in dozens of languages, instantly switching based on the user's preferences. And unlike humans, AI delivers consistent service every time. It doesn't have bad days, get tired, or let emotion interfere. This reliability helps businesses maintain brand consistency and exceed customer expectations at scale. Rather than viewing AI as a replacement for human agents, many forward thinking companies are adopting a hybrid model. In this setup, AI handles the bulk of routine repetitive tasks, things like password resets, shipping updates, or simple troubleshooting. Human agents are then freed up to focus on complex or emotionally sensitive issues where empathy and judgment are essential. This division of labor not only boosts overall productivity, but also improves job satisfaction for employees who no longer have to deal with the monotony of basic queries. Meanwhile, customers get quicker answers for common problems and better support when their issues require a human touch. It's a win-win model that leverages the strengths of both humans and machines. Despite the clear advantages, there are serious concerns that must be addressed. Job displacement is perhaps the most obvious and immediate. Millions of people around the world depend on call center jobs for income, and the automation of these roles could lead to significant economic and social disruption. Beyond employment, there's the issue of bias. AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on. If that data reflects societal biases, the AI will too, potentially leading to discriminatory or unfair treatment. Privacy is another critical area. AI systems need access to massive amounts of customer data to function well, and that data must be stored, processed, and protected responsibly. As we move forward, these challenges require serious ethical reflection, regulatory oversight, and thoughtful implementation strategies. Looking into the future, it's clear that AI will not just assist customer support, it will define it. AI agents will become the first point of contact for most customer interactions. Entire call centers may be virtualized, hosted in the cloud, with no physical footprint or local staffing. But this doesn't mean a world without jobs. It means a shift in job types. Humans will be needed to supervise AI behavior, correct errors, train systems on new scenarios, and uphold ethical standards. New roles like AI trainers, prompt engineers, and customer experience designers will emerge. Those who adapt to this new landscape will thrive, while those who resist may struggle to stay relevant. It's not just about automation, it's about evolution. To conclude, the rise of AI in customer support isn't a future possibility, it's already here. But rather than viewing this as a loss, we should see it as a redefinition. AI is changing how support is delivered, making it faster, more intelligent, and more accessible. Businesses that embrace this transformation will gain a competitive edge, reducing costs while delighting customers. But this transition must be managed thoughtfully with strong ethical guidelines and human oversight. We need to ensure that AI enhances, not erodes, our customer relationships. The future belongs to those who can combine the best of human empathy with the power of intelligent automation.